What's up, guys? What's up? Trying to run to the store before I get to work because I am not leaving work for a couple of hours left. The traffic out here is not looking good. That's the traffic out here, and the rain is about to come. Yeah, all this construction. Come on, lady. Yep, just need to pull into Whole Foods and get a little stuff, guys, before I go to work. And up here is packed. My God. Saturday evening. Whew. The rain is coming, guys. It is beginning to rain. See how cloudy it is. Very cloudy, guys. Guys, give this little video a like. Subscribe, guys. Welcome to my channel. Hit the subscribe button. Oh man. We're running into Whole Foods, guys. Because if I don't go now, I wouldn't have a chance in the morning. Yes, guys, I just grabbed my few things, so I am very late for work. Very late. So I'm just trying to speed up. I'm already like half an hour late. Not good. Not good at all. Oh, the guy just ran into that car. Oh, the guy just ran into the other parked car there. This is why I don't like parking on the street. They damage your car. Come on, guys, on. Crazy. More red lights. Whenever you're late, you run into every red light, guys. Every red light. Another red light. Guys, remember to give the video a like, guys. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe and like the video. Try to get gas prices up there. And my car takes premium. It's ridiculous. Yeah, we got some serious rain coming. Very cloudy. Okay guys, I am out guys, I am out. So give the video a like, subscribe, and see you again. I'm late.